This model of Karcher vacuum cleaner is versatile and capable of handling both wet and dry cleaning tasks. Also can reverse the airflow, function as a blower for the tasks like removing debris from hard to reach areas. Stainless steel provides durability and resistance to corrosion. Refers to the volume the container can hold for collecting dirt, dust, liquid. Operating voltage is 220 to 40 voltage. Product capacity is 17 liters. The item's dimensions are of length of 38 centimeters, width of 34 centimeters, and a height of 52.5 centimeters. Surface recommendation is hard floor. Product material is plastic. Color is yellow and black.